The first read-through of this really quite amazing reinterpretation of Puccini's Gianni Schicchi.
A lot of the influences for it have been like some contemporary TV series like White Lotus and things like Knives Out. So it has a murder mystery feel.
I beloved racehorse, valued at £6 million.
I think I was surprised by how I could feel the references of this to modern music. I've really enjoyed working on it.
The instrumentalists are part of that ensemble and playing characters within the story as well. It's actually genuinely very funny. It's a great plot, like the actual bones of the piece. It's just very, very good storytelling anyway.
Yes, the solicitor, he's putting in the main house. Terry Boone or Donaldson had a fall in the pool. He's given him a scare.